this next topic. So yesterday, Tesla dropped the price of the Model Y by $1,000 temporarily. But let's talk about why. Elon actually came out and specifically said why Tesla dropped prices on the Model Y. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. So shout out to Tesla. They posted this earlier today, probably to try and get some of that Super Bowl traffic that just happened. Congrats to the Chiefs again. More affordable than you think. The world's best-selling SUV is $1,000 off this month. Prices will go up again in March. And so a couple people probably were calling out Elon or trying to get him to respond to this. And here is what he actually said. Quote, "Since most people don't love to buy cars in the middle of winter, Tesla is offering a $1,000 incentive to do so." Quote, "This is essential quandary of manufacturing. Factories need continuous production for efficiency, but consumer demand is seasonal." So yes, that is why usually December is the biggest month, usually because there's a lot of incentives for manufacturers to try and push out vehicles for sale by the end of the year. It's big for luxury type of vehicle markets. And then that's why January and February are usually the quietest, also because it's winter, but also because they've already spent all their money in incentives in December. That's why we saw a lot of different various inventory discounts and referral program discounts by the end of December. And then January, it kind of chilled out or calmed down a little bit. But Elon is basically saying what we talk about a lot on this channel, and that inventory is high and inventory keeps increasing, as we saw from January all the way up to where we are now. And so that is why Tesla had to ramp up incentives and will continue to ramp up incentives as inventory keeps going up on the up and up. I think one of the earnings call, like maybe 2 quarters ago, Elon did say that the executive team takes a look at inventory, supply, and production on a weekly, even daily basis, and try and look at what orders are actually coming in to try and base what incentives and promotions they will release in the near future. So basically, if inventory goes up, prices and discounts will ramp up as well. So definitely some pretty interesting stuff there. There's a good reasoning that Elon had to reiterate that it's all seasonal. And so some things to be aware about coming in this near future. March is the end of the quarter, as we talked about before. And also it's tax return season time as well. When people file for the taxes, most people usually get some sort of a refund, and they take that refund and go ahead and place it as a down payment on a vehicle. So that could have an effect on inventory levels, and so that could clear out some of the Model Y, but I guess we'll see in the near future if that starts to sell vehicles. Because if we take a look at Tesla's website, you can see on all different trims, the Model Y rear-wheel drive, the long range, and the performance, each and every one of them have a February to March delivery time frame. None of them have been pushed out at all, and that's usually one of our indicators on whether there is a demand built up log for the Tesla vehicles. It seems like any Tesla Model Y that you are looking to place an order on, you're going to get it pretty quickly, but whether it's this month or next month. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you're thinking.